Y'all, welcome back to another video. Motivational quote for today is, God, please replace my worry with peace, anxiety with hope, and concern with confident trust. Amen. If you are new here, my name is AshecaLee, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning into yet another video. So today is currently Saturday, May 27th. And it is around 4:30 right now, like a little bit before 4:30. I have another appointment at 4:30, so we have to get going. This is gonna be a maintenance vlog, so we gotta get our nails done because we have something exciting to prep for. Now, I'm very dramatic, so I just want to look my best for this exciting new change that's happening in my life. I'm guessing by this time y'all will probably know what it is if you follow me on Instagram. If you don't, I don't know what to tell you. So you're gonna be a little behind, you're gonna be a little late with finding out like what I'm prepping for. Yeah, so we're about to go get our nails done, and I'm so excited to get my nails done, y'all, because I have been thugging it out. I wanted to get my nails done. I wanted to give myself a break from getting my nails done, and I just wanted to take a break. Like, it was about that time before like I just started getting them consistently done again. So like constantly getting them done. So I think I'm gonna put myself on a new cycle with getting my nails done as well. Like, normally I do every 2 weeks, but sometimes like my nails don't grow out that much and I still go get them done anyway. So I think I'm gonna do every 3 weeks, so pretty much once a month. And I think that'll most likely be reasonable for me, because honestly at this point I just be wasting my money just trying to get a new nail design. So and then by now, 3 weeks later from now is definitely going to be the time that I need it for my birthday. So my nails will be fresh for my birthday. So yeah, we have to go because she's not that far from me. She's like 5 minutes. Yeah, so we have to get our nails done. We have to get our feet done. We have to, I'm going to try to laminate my eyebrows. If I don't laminate my eyebrows, then I'm probably just going to just wax them myself and shape them and stuff. And then I am probably most likely also going to dermaplane my face for the first time. And also I am going to be doing my hair if I feel like doing my hair. I feel like I might just keep this in, because I'm not too sure like what style I want to do with my hair. So this might just stay. If I don't do my hair, then I'm definitely gonna do my lashes, like put like individuals on. So either way, we're doing 4 things, 45. So yeah, so let's just get ready to go to our nail appointment. I'm so excited. I haven't gotten my nails done in forever. Like, it's about time. So let's go. They having a little they having a little block party on my block. They are playing them tunes. Oh my god, I hate that angle. Anyways, let's go before my wig sweat off. Oh shoot, no, I need a mask. I just parked. Got a parking spot, so let's go. I have a lot of stuff in my hand right now. All right, let's go. Thank you. Oops. All right.
You know what you're getting done?
Yeah. Girl, these gotta go. These were temporary, but I had to do.
Right?
Yeah, I actually went to a different spot that I used to go to a long time ago. So I just went back there instead of the other places.
Let me get a band-aid real quick.
Okay.
I have a nice match, and I have never been.
Seeing that top rail in there, it's massive. Thanks. We are going to
We basically add fresh fruit and macerated.
Oh my gosh, I'm excited. I think I might do green for my birthday.
This sort of like a jam.
We'll see.
So it's like a sweet, really powerful drink in the summer.
You ever thought about your hairstyle and stuff?
I thought about my hairstyle. I did not. Yeah, like I'm stuck between like two different styles. Yeah. I don't know what I'm doing for it yet. So I be like just a little bit. We there already. I can't believe it. Yeah. June is next week.
Right. Is prom season busy right now for you?
Yeah. So what is it? It's prom season. It's graduation. So yeah, the girls are girling. How about you?
Yeah. Almost every day.
Yeah.
We'll be booked up.
Well, that is great.
A little attitude here and there.
Really, from them? Why?
Well, just one. I had one the other day. We had a misunderstanding between both of us, because I'm thinking that she didn't show up on time, and she's like, she did show up on time, but she was knocking on the wrong door. Gotta go to the chief.
So did she, wait, so when she was texting, was it DM or like actual email?
So, as I was sitting here, I'm looking at my phone, because I look at my phone when it's like, when my client's about to come, and I'm not seeing any Instagram messages pulling up or anything. So I'm like, alright, she's not texting me or anything. And then time is going by, and then it's cancellation time, so I cancel and then I text her. And I'm like, let me know if you want to reschedule, because I'm thinking she just didn't show up.
So yeah, exactly.
And it's all the same school study, all coming at the same time.
At the same time, and gotta be done by the same time.
Literally.
So.
And then some people do it on their prom day,
because they don't want people to see their nails. Yep.
That doesn't make my job easier.
Right.
Whatsoever. They try and come in at like 8, 6 in the morning. I'm like,
did you take any early mornings?
I was supposed to do one at like 8, but she ended up rescheduling.
Okay.
Prom season lasts a long time.
Yeah, and then you got graduation.
Back after that, people getting ready for the summer, yada yada, going on vacation.
Vacations, trips, birthdays, like it just never ends. Never ends. And then some people come to me and say, my hairstyle is this, and the communication was bad, so I'm just never booking with her again. People just like to feel confident, even when they're annoying.
Yes.
They just want to feel confident, though. I think that's like the biggest part for customers on the outside. And that's the most annoying part for us as the business owners.
Yeah.
But it's just one of those things. It's our industry. We're going to have to just get through it and make it easy for yourself. Get that business phone, girl, and put it on your website, the times that, it's available to text or communicate or respect a response. And then you can put on there, just give me 24 hours to respond to you. And they can't complain because it's on there. And then you just respond whenever you get a chance. Yeah, just do it. It'll give you less stress.
I just hate having a response call. I'm not gonna hold you.
Why?
Like at all. Like I don't really want to have to speak to you that much. Like I just want you to book your stuff, and I want you to show up. But I know that's not how everybody works.
Like stuff like that is easier to say in person.
You think I should say it to her?
No. Like the girl telling you what she wants from you. It's easier to relay in person. But then people like her, she's probably been in situations where she feels like if she communicates that first, it's easier on you. But you don't like that.
Yeah.
So I think just DM her and say, hey, don't worry about it. It's okay. We can talk about it in person. Keep it sweet like that. But hold on one second. Yeah, but it's definitely, it all boils down to conversation and how people respond to people in the end on both sides. Like, if somebody come at me ignorant as a client, I'm not dealing with you. And vice versa. When stylists or techs or whatever come at the client disrespectful, they're not dealing with us. So it's vice versa. So just make it easier on yourself. I know you don't like it, but girl, communication gonna give you that business. Girl, I know anytime I ask for a soak off. Yup, anytime I ask for a soak off.
Do you want to see some of my chrome colors?
Yeah.
Before you leave, just in case you might have an idea.
So I ain't gotta send you a picture and be like, how much is this?
Look at this one. It's like a champagne pink.
Alright, y'all. Nails are done. I'm so excited. It's been forever since my nails have been done. Y'all, nails are done. So my makeup is probably everywhere in this mask, but we were just pretty much having like a conversation, you know, me giving her some insight and some advice on having your business, just trying to give her some advice on, you know, how to better communicate, because that is like so it's hair time. This is the wig that I'm gonna be putting on. I actually wanted to do my makeup one last time with this wig on so that I can get some content for this TikTok that I have in mind. So I might have to hurry up and do that, but today's just, I just made 2 wigs and now I have to wash this one out for myself. It's alright, you know, like it's just a regular black wig and it's a frontal. It's in the side part, but I don't know if I'm gonna wear it in the side part. We'll see. I'll probably just do a middle part and do like bone straight and call it a day. But yeah, I'm about to just wash this wig out. Then drop them drawers. I know what you are. I ask myself, is this shit real? I contemplate about how I feel, but you make it way too hard to think that this could be what you love. Doesn't learn how not to break down and stop it. No matter what I've seen in the past, I won't let it impact how we grow now, baby. I can't let it slip away, drift away, can go to waste. I stay straight to your face, won't contemplate. You got to play that, babe. I don't wanna wait another minute for you. I know you got me falling from the ceiling for you. Knew right from the start there was no limit to you, and I'm catching feelings, baby. Still. All right, y'all, good morning. So we are about to finish up with our maintenance. Okay, so I'm about to dermaplane, do my eyebrows, and do my lashes.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. By the way, just got in town, and I won't let you in this club.
Eyebrows look so good.
Ruin my vibe. Usually I
Wow.
do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to one I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for you. Let me lay a great time on you. Don't hesitate, no, don't you?
Y'all, lashes are giving. Hair is giving. Skin is giving. Nails is giving. Feet is giving. Everything is done. She looks cute. I'm ready. I'm ready for the day. So I hope y'all enjoyed this vlog. This was my first time like doing a maintenance vlog. But yeah, I think I did pretty good. Everything is all together. I look cute. I feel cute. And yeah, let's go conquer this day. So thank y'all so much for tuning in to this video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. If you did, you know what to do. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment down below. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.